Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we are talking about the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, 128GB, Sierra Blue Unlocked, renewed. This pre-owned product may not be Apple certified, but don't let that stop you from taking advantage of what it has to offer. It has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned by Amazon qualified suppliers, meaning you can trust that it's in great condition. When it comes to the appearance, there will be no visible cosmetic imperfections when held at arm's length, so you can show off your sleek new phone with confidence. Plus, the battery exceeds 80% capacity relative to new, so you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. While the accessories may not be original, they are fully compatible and functional, so you'll still have everything you need to get the most out of your iPhone. And if for any reason you're not satisfied, you can take advantage of the 90-day replacement or refund policy. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality, renewed iPhone 13 Pro Max, be sure to check out the link in the description to get yours today. Don't miss out on this great deal.